Jake Ludington here at HP Discover, and I'm here with Duncan Campbell. And virtualization is kind of a thread that has run through a lot of the HP technology stuff. But have we achieved nirvana, as it were, around virtualization, or is there more that could come out of that?
Nirvana? I don't think so. However, we would like to be in nirvana. And I tell you that if you think about virtualization 1.0, let's call it that, a lot of different customers of multiple sizes have done that. You know, it's primarily been more bottoms up, looking for immediate type of gratification around cost savings, and primarily server focused. And we feel there's a better way now. I think the time has come for something called Virtualization 2.0. And from our standpoint, that includes not just the server virtualization, but storage and networking virtualization, and yes, down to the client as well.
And so where do you see this going from the data center perspective? Because I mean, bigger clients tend to have multiple data centers, and how can you get a benefit around virtualization across data centers?
Exactly right. So I think people are expecting HP and expecting the industry not just to solve it within those confines of a single data center, but in fact multiple data centers. And the good news is within HP we have a capability using our intelligent resilient framework to actually virtualize our switches and actually go up to 8 data centers. And so that all of a sudden is breaking through in a really good way, really providing a foundation, if you think about it, how to take that virtualization to a beyond the components, beyond the silos, to virtual data centers. And you know, one other thing that I would add is what we're finding is, when I think about this virtualization 2.0, let's call it that it's not just about technology, that you do need to consider the processes, the people involved, and the governance. And those things are very important, so really to accelerate your progress, you need to address all those.
And I assume you don't mean virtualized people, but so I mean, it's great to talk about this in the abstract. But what about a customer? Do you have a customer example or two that you could provide for how this is changing?
Actually, we do, and so we have some great examples for how we've taken customers just beyond server virtualization, in fact, to the client. So Commerce Bank is a great example. Due to acquisitions, they had multiple applications that was really complicating their life. They actually virtualized all the clients and centralized all the applications and provided just a real breakthrough for them. Another one is Priceline, where they've gone through not just thinking about server virtualization, but doing storage virtualization very aggressively. And a third one that comes to mind is a company called Centerbeam. They've got the trifecta. You know, they've done it for both server, storage, and now networking, and seeing some real great benefits.
And if people want to find out more about this virtualization 2.0 stuff, where can they look?
Well, absolutely. So you can come to hp.com/virtualization. Certainly there's a lot of great information there. We have great workshops, content, a lot of digital marketing, so please come see us or talk to your HP sales rep or partner.
All right, thanks, Duncan.
Hey, thanks very much, Jake. Appreciate it.